if that's long enough. It don't feel very sharp. Goodness, I need a gas powered one for this. This is only the first one. Oh man. Well, cleaning that blade off with that grinding wheel didn't do anything about the sharpness of it. So I'm going to take it to the house and see if I can't put an edge on that thing a little better. So if you ever used one of these pole saws, you know they can be a big pain in the butt. You'll be trying to saw like this and that son is going to get hung up in the tree, in the limb you're trying to cut. And they just don't work too well, especially if you buy a cheap one like I do and you let this blade get kind of rusty. I'm going to try something though and try to fix it to where it'll cut better. So let's see what we can do. Screwdriver. And you see how narrow this blade is, and if you look, the teeth go different directions down through there, and I'm going to try to sharpen them for one thing if I can, and then I'm also going to try to bend those teeth so they're not so close together. Maybe they'll cut a little bit better. Try to see which angle these things are going at. I got a little file that's kind of like a shaped like a triangle instead of rounded or flat. Hopefully it'll lay right in there and we can knock that edge off. Knock some of the rust off there too. Maybe that'll help them. Looks like every third one, the edge is on the other side. Now that I have those fairly sharp, I'm going to take this chisel and this hammer and I'm going to look down this blade here and see which direction those teeth are going, and I'm going to knock them further over the direction they're going, all down through here, and that's going to give it a wider cut when you're using it, and maybe it won't hang up as bad. We'll see. I just got it on there. I'm just going to give it a couple taps on each one and it kind of, I don't know if you can see, I've done, let me get it closer here. If you can see, I've done these right here. I already knocked them over. What I'll do is I'll knock these over here, and I may turn it over and knock these others over that are going this way. And hopefully that'll help it cut better. About every other one is what I'll do. Won't take much to bend it. let's see if it works any better now. Well, it works a whole lot better, but oddly it's not any more fun to use.